For free customizable daily meditations from the best personal growth teachers in the world, create your free Mindvalley account today at mindvalley.com. Your meditation starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. And visualize now sparkling white light from the center of the universe, filling up your whole body from your head until your feet, and from your skin until every cell of your body is filled up with this beautiful light force of the universe. Your whole body is now light. And all that is less than light, release it now as you are breathing out. Visualize now that your whole energy field around your body is filled up with crystal white light, an arm length above you and around you. As you are now in the tube of white light, visualize now the color royal blue. Imagine that this color is all around you and under your feet. And the royal blue stands for power and protection of the universe. Accept now that you're the powerful creator of the universe. And the royal blue protects you from any negative vibration outside of you. Visualize now the color rose, all around the royal blue tube of light and under your feet, connecting in with the unconditional love and support of the universe. Feel the gratitude for everyone and everything that is loving and supporting you right now. Visualize then violet light coming from the center of the earth, connecting with your feet, clockwise spinning gently through your body and through your energy field till above your head into the universe. The violet light stands for clearing and forgiving any limitations you might hold on to that is not longer serving you. With the power of forgiveness, you let them go. Take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. Visualize now that you have a magical hat on, and the top of your magical hat is an arm length above the top of your physical head. Focus on that light. It's the light of your soul. It gives you access to the quantum field. And from that point of light, as you are now connected with this white light, visualize now that with that frequency of white light from your soul, you're walking into your space of your home. Coming from outside your home, opening the door, going through the entrance, and find now the spot in your home that is the center of your floor plan. And stand there now in your tubes of white light. And connect now with the center of the high ceiling. Connect now with the center of the ceiling in the center of your home, and visualize there's an opening there connecting in with the universe, and crystal white light is filling through that opening your whole space. First of all, the center of your space is now filling up with this crystal white light. When the crystal white light comes in, it clears all dense and toxic vibrations. It's like that light showers the center, and anything that is emotionally or mentally toxic vibrations, see it now going to the floor, through the floor, into the soil, into the center of the earth. So you feel now that you are not only in this tube of white light, but you are surrounded by this white crystal light in the center of your space. Now visualize that that light from the center coming in from the universe is going to your entrance. So it's like you are radiating that out and sharing that crystal white light now. From your center, you bring it to the entrance, to the door, till around the door, the hallway, the few feet or meters in front of your entrance. And fill that whole space from ceiling to floor to all the walls with this crystal white light. It's like you are cleaning and clearing the aura field, and every object, every image, every statue, every material that is present there, any furniture, carpets, lamps, they're all cleaned up now with this crystal white light, and feel all the toxicity, the heaviness, the density from that space through the floor into the center of the earth. And we're putting there now intentions in that space. What are the intentions you want to place there when you welcome people? It can be an intention of joy, of love, of abundance. It's like you can write now a positive intention to everyone, including you, that comes into the entrance of that space. So visualize that intention, feel that intention, and even speak out that intention that you feel you want to express into the entrance. Beautiful. And now go from the center, reconnect with the center, and feel that light going into your living space, where you are sitting, dining, meeting with friends, with your family, where you're relaxing. Perhaps you're even working there. It's the living area. And now fill that whole space from ceiling to floor to all the walls with this crystal white light, and clean everything that is present there. The furniture, what hangs on the wall, what's in your cupboards, in your cabinets. Everything is cleaned and cleared with this crystal white light, and then feel all this old toxicity, density, heaviness that has been present there. Feel it going through the floor to the center of the earth. And now you have a blank canvas of energy. What are the intentions you want to express here? What do you wish? What are your desires for you in your living space, for your family? It's like you are expressing it, and you can share it out loud, you can feel it, you can see it. What are the intentions for that space? What's the positive outcome you want to have in this space? Beautiful. And now we're focusing on the center of your home or apartment or studio again. And we're bringing and radiating that light now to your bedroom. And fill that whole bedroom from ceiling to floor to the walls and everything that's in it, your bed, your linens, your nightstands, your cupboards. Open the cupboards, you open the drawers, and bring the light to everything that's in your bedroom. And any toxicity or heaviness or density, let it clear out through the floor to the center of the universe, to the center of the earth. And take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. And then what are your intentions there? Intentions of good health, of romance, of peace and harmony, of inspiration. Speak them now out, or visualize them, feel them, and place them in the aura field of your bedroom. You can also now go to other bedrooms of your children, of your family, and do the same thing. You can stop the recording and meanwhile do all the other areas that you would love to do. Again, you're cleaning them with this crystal white light, and everything in it is cleaned and cleared with this white light. And then you write down your intentions. What do you desire for that person that's in that space, for your children, perhaps your parents that live with you, your guests, your grandchildren that visit you. And once you have done that, you can reconnect in and continue the meditation. And now bring that crystal white light from the center to the place where you work. Perhaps you have your own workspace. Perhaps you work on your dining room or in your living room. Perhaps you have already cleared that energy, but perhaps you still need to write other intentions. Intentions of abundance, intentions of business goals, of your career. So go to wherever space that is, clear it again if you need to, and then put in intentions of abundance and success. Then come back to the center of your space and send out now crystal white light to other areas that you're not living, you're not sleeping, you're not working. Places like your bathroom, your kitchen, your garage, your storage. Any place that is present in your home but is not something where you are spending a lot of time. Fill that space up with crystal white light. Clean it up. Let go of any toxicity, heaviness, density, and bring it to the ground, to the floor, and bring it to the center of the earth. Just put some intention in it, or general intentions, intentions of peace, of harmony, of happiness. Now your whole house is cleared, has intentions written all over it. And now visualize that you reconnect in with the top of your house where the light came in, and don't close, and connect in with that light that comes from the universe. And visualize now the whole aura field of your house, of your apartment, like all around, not just above, around, but also under this house, this place that you live in, is filled with crystal white light. And around that white light, visualize now royal blue for protection, so that only positive energy can come to your space, and all the other negative thoughts and feelings and actions from other people, it stays outside this royal blue bubble of energy. And go back to the center of your space and feel now the difference. Difference of energy, of vibration, and express your gratitude to your house, to your place, for being there, for living there, for being able to manifest your purpose there. And then take a deep breath in, take a deep breath out, bring your hands together, move your hands, bring your warm hands in front of your eyes, and gently open your eyes.
We hope you enjoyed your meditation. For free daily meditations, hypnotherapy sessions, and altered states training to help you improve sleep quality, reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus, increase self-confidence, or dive deeper into spirituality, download the Mind Valley app. You can't put a price on better mental health, so we didn't. Enjoy free meditation every day. Simply download the Mind Valley app to get started.